Hello everyone, I'm Pankaj Sharma and welcome to PM Expert, your go-to channel for project management, agile and leadership insights. In this video, we'll explore the Stakeholder Cube, an advanced model that extends the classic power interest grid by adding a third dimension, influence. By the end, you'll know how to map, analyze, and manage your stakeholders in a more strategic and three-dimensional way. The Stakeholder Cube is a 3D visualization tool used to analyze stakeholders based on three key factors: 1. Power, their authority or ability to impact project decisions; 2. Interest, their level of concern or involvement in project outcomes; 3. Influence, their ability to affect other stakeholders or sway opinions. This cube helps project managers see not only who is important, but how they interact with each other within the project ecosystem. The power interest matrix is great, but it's two-dimensional. The Stakeholder Cube adds a third dimension, allowing you to identify hidden influencers behind the scenes, understand how power dynamics shift during the project lifecycle, prioritize engagement strategies more accurately. It's especially useful in large, complex, or politically sensitive projects, where influence networks matter as much as authority. Let's take an example from a software implementation project. Project sponsor: high power, high interest, high influence, manage closely. IT manager: medium power, high interest, medium influence, keep engaged. End users: low power, high interest, low influence, keep informed. Regulatory body: high power, low interest, medium influence, keep satisfied. When you visualize these positions on the Stakeholder Cube, you can literally see the relationship dynamics in 3D, making communication and risk management far more effective. Here's how to apply it step by step. 1. Identify all stakeholders. 2. Assess each one's power, interest, and influence on a scale, e.g. low, medium, high. 3. Plot them on the cube or use software like Excel, Miro, or Power BI to visualize it. 4. Plan your engagement strategy based on their cube position. 5. Review regularly, because stakeholder influence changes as projects evolve. To summarize, the Stakeholder Cube adds depth to traditional stakeholder analysis. It's used in PRINCE2 and PMP frameworks to improve communication and governance. It helps ensure that no influential stakeholder is overlooked. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PM Expert for more project management and business leadership lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.